Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the mask is intact and clean, inspect valves and straps for wear, and ensure the neoprene seals are flexible. Once done, position the mask on your face, adjust straps evenly, and look in a mirror to eliminate gaps. Aim for no more than a 0.5 cm gap around the nose and cheeks. Finally, set the resistance or insert to the lowest level so you can breathe comfortably while establishing baseline breathing mechanics. You now follow a progressive protocol. Warm up for 5 to 10 minutes without strain, keeping the mask at the lowest resistance so your lungs adapt. Once comfortable, incorporate interval work, 30 to 60 seconds of higher effort followed by 1 to 2 minutes recovery, and increase resistance by 1 notch every 2 to 3 sessions. Be mindful of breathing form. Inhale through diaphragm, exhale fully. Make sure to monitor perceived exertion, and stop if dizziness or severe breathlessness occurs. You finish with a 5 to 10 minute cool down, lowering resistance and slowing your breathing while stretching lightly to normalize heart rate. Once finished, disassemble removable parts, wash with warm water and mild soap, and dry completely before storing to prevent odor and degradation. If you detect leaks or discomfort, reseat the mask and red-iron straps. If the seal still fails, swap out worn seals or valves. Always pause training and consult a professional if you experience chest pain or fainting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.